Hi everyone, welcome back to House Station, a place for all how-tos and DIYs. In today's video, I will show you how I made this rose flower using crepe paper. So if you want to see how I made this, then keep on watching. To make the flower, we will need crepe paper, some pollen seeds, hard wire for the stem, floral tape, thread, pencil, a pair of scissors and ruler. Now begin with cutting a strip which measures almost 7 centimeters and then fold it into half and cut it into 2 equal pieces. So now we have 2 strips which are almost 3.5 centimeters each. We now need to cut 6 equal pieces from these 2 strips. So you can either fold it the way that I am doing, or you can just use a scale for it. I now have 12 pieces and I need to cut them into different sizes. So first I'll take 4 pieces and I will keep them as they are because I need 4 full pieces, 4 3/4 pieces and 4 half pieces. To cut the piece into 3/4, I'm going to first fold it into half and then bring one edge till the half fold and then cut it from the fold over here. So now this is the 3/4 piece, and using this as a guide, I'm going to cut 3 more pieces. Now simply take 2 pieces and fold it into half and cut it from between so that we have 4 equal pieces. And now put the remaining pieces away as we're not going to need them. We now have 4 full pieces, 4 3/4 pieces and 4 half pieces. Now simply draw a petal on one piece of each size, that is the full size, the 3/4 size and the half size. And now using these as guidelines, cut off the petals of each size. Oh yeah, and one thing to remember when drawing the petal, make sure that the lines of the crepe paper go from top to bottom like this. Now it's time to give shape to the petals, and what we're going to do is we're simply going to stretch it from sides, and because of the lines that the crepe paper has, the petal is going to get a nice curved shape. Now that we have the petals ready, it's time to get working on the stem. So I'll take the hard wire and the pollen seeds, fold the seeds into half and put them in the wire, twist them once and secure it with thread. And because my seeds are double-ended, I'm using just 2, but you can use how many ever that you want to. Now that I have my pollen seeds ready, I'm going to take my floral tape and start wrapping it from top to bottom on the hard wire. And I will also make sure that I hide the thread which I had used to secure the pollen seeds behind the floral tape. So now that we have the stem and the petals ready, it is time to get working on the flower. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the smallest petal first and I'm going to place it on the stem and secure it with thread. Once I'm done with this, I'll take another small petal and place it in front of the first petal and not besides it, and then secure this one as well. So now for the third petal, I'm going to place it between or besides 1 and 2. So you see, this is the first one, this is the second one, and this is the third one over here. Once I'm done securing the third petal, I will take the fourth petal and place it in front of the third one. Secure this with thread as well, and the base for your flower is now ready. And now that our base is ready, I'm going to take the medium sized petal and I'm going to start placing them one besides the other. Now I'll place my first medium petal and secure it with thread, and once I'm done with it, I'm going to place my second petal besides the first one and not in front of it like we had done before. Secure this one with thread as well and keep on doing this with all the remaining petals. So this is how the rose will look once it is done. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start folding the medium and the large petals outwards like so. Now I want to hide the thread which I had used to secure the petals. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my green floral tape and wrap it around the thread. So this is how the flower will look once you're done with it, and I wish to give my flower a more realistic feel, so I'm going to add small leaves over here. So now for the leaves, I'm going to cut 4 small pieces from the floral tape and give them a shape of a leaf by cutting curves from the sides. So now that I have all the leaves ready, I'm going to start sticking them on the stem with glue. And yes, I did take help of the scissors because the tape is so sticky that the leaves were sticking back on my hand. And after all the sticky picky, our flower is ready, and this is the final result. That was it, guys. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video as much as I enjoyed making it, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to share, comment, and most importantly subscribe for more how-tos and DIYs. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.